This is the weather forecast video for Thursday, April 21st, 2011. Let's first take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see several rounds of showers and thunderstorms along the Tennessee Valley through Texas and into northern Mexico, with some cloudiness west of the state into the Rockies and into the Pacific Northwest. The watch warning map. Fairly quiet across the country except for the severe thunderstorm watch that was across the deep south, and some winter weather advisories over the northern Rockies. The rest of the nation has been rather quiet. QPF chart. Precipitation over the next 5 days through Monday evening at 7 o'clock. The heaviest precipitation will be around 5 inches from Oklahoma through Missouri into Illinois and Indiana, with about a quarter to a half an inch over the north to 1.5 over the south. Here's the GFS Model Run, the 0Z run at 1 p.m. today. You can see a zonal flow over the country with a vortex over the Pacific Northwest and over New England. Down at the surface, the stalled front will still be to our south. This model shows some precipitation moving into the state. This looks like it'll take place late in the afternoon, maybe towards evening in the west, and by overnight in the east. By Friday, here comes this front back north as a warm front, a low pressure centered over South Dakota, and another one near southeastern Nebraska. Some showers, thunderstorms. Could there be severe weather? Well, here's a WRFa model of the temperatures at 4 p.m. Friday afternoon. This shows that most of the state will likely be in the 40s or even some upper 30s, with 50s well in the southern part of the state. And here's the same time frame, 4 p.m. This is the Cape, and it shows the best Cape will be way to the south in Oklahoma and Arkansas and in Missouri, but there's this little tongue of about 1,000 joules over southeast Iowa, so that could support some severe weather. But by Saturday, that storm is way off to the northeast. There could be a sprinkle, but likely clearing skies and temperatures nearing normal. Highs will likely be in the upper 50s to mid 60s. Easter Sunday looks perfect, with maybe some increasing cloudiness towards the afternoon hours with that front stalled south of the state. Readings will likely be in the low to mid 60s. But by Monday, here comes another storm, low near Wichita, warm front extending through just south of the state, so some showers, thunderstorms possible as we begin another work week right after Easter. Tuesday, that low is now moved up to about La Crosse, Wisconsin, will be likely be on the dry slot, so any rain will be very light, or if any, the heaviest precipitation will be north of the state. Wednesday, that storm is now moved off to the east. Looks like there still could be some wraparound moisture. That could mean some clouds, maybe a scattered shower. We're likely saying not so. It will be cooler. Thursday, a week from today, that front still off to the east, but it looks like some southerly winds will be coming on the backside of that. So some warmer conditions by late next week. We move into Voodoo Country. This is May the 3rd. You can see a negative tilt vortex over North Dakota with a bit of a wavy pattern, a trough out west of the state down below, low pressure up at the U.S.-Canadian border. That can mean some showers and thunderstorms. Severe weather, well, it's too early to determine this far out in advance. And at the end of the forecast period on May the 6th, zonal flow pretty much over the country, with the main storm track looks to be way north of the state. And down at the surface, looks like a few scattered storms around, but we're just looking for anything of interest this far out, because anything can change this far out. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.